Guys, and welcome again one another edition of my new YouTube channel. Thanks for all my subscribers, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments. Welcome. So guys, Mr. Vegas has come out and revealed what CMR has told him. Obviously, CMR has lied to him that it's someone else's child when in fact it was closer to home. A lot of things going on. Christy said note that's for another video anyway. Cease and desist and all those. So we're gonna listen to what Mr. Vegas has to say in regards to the CMR situation. Let us hear what Vegas have to say about the whole thing, guys. So stay tuned because CMR Vegas said he's a liar.
Talk about CMR again. People who know Mr. Vegas for years, you will understand that I am a strong advocate against these predators. As a matter of fact, I don't like them. I nearly dirt one of them, you know. I almost dirt one of them. Because he's a secondary victim, you know. Meaning, say, somebody when me related to, close to, love, got molested. So he's a secondary victim. And secondary victims, they do hurt too. So I don't like that. However, me still leave room for a person to get due process. So I don't just jump up and as me hear people and say somebody do something. Or if somebody get arrested, me run out and say the person for. No. I believe in a due process. I want to see the evidence. Yeah. In this case with CMR, I have heard enough. And based on the police report, I want to tell you, CMR, so you're sick. I mean, I say you're sick based on just the police report. May I tell you, say you're sick based on what you tell me. Yeah. You see, as a father, brother, I can't protect a predator. You see, as a father, I can't protect a child molester. I love my picking them too much, brother. I have a daughter, 10 years old. And I have a son, 10 years old. And I have other children, but them they are the little one them. So when I look at a 10-year-old little girl, she's not far from a 12 or a 13-year-old little girl. Yeah. So anybody will violate a 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, whatever age, and child's innocence. Once you violate a child's innocence, you're sick, brother. Be that, brother. Now, the reason why I even come say due process, because I still leave room for due process no matter how me feel, because as a person who matriculated in the field of sociology, I have to deal with things objectively. You see? But with your situation, the reason why I have to let it be known, so you're sick, is because you're not only a monster, in my view, in my understanding, in my thoughts, you're a pathological liar. Yeah. And it hurt me if you know, so I said that before your trial even start, if it get to that. But whether you go to trial, yes or no, you are a pathological liar. Whether you're found guilty, them find you guilty, yes or no, you are a pathological liar. Based on the police report and what you tell me. What you told me and what is in the police report, and you spoke to me so convincing, and me as a father felt obligated to go and protect your stepdaughter. Because the people have put our picture all over the internet. We're also have a family thing and everybody know our face. So I felt as a father that I must go out there and tell them, say, it's not your stepdaughter. Because you told me it's not your stepdaughter. You told me it's somebody's daughter come sleep over your house. You told me it's a Trini lady daughter come sleep over. So right, let's say click to me, say, me no want my picnic go sleep on nobody yard, you know. One, me not sure how I go on, me no know how I go on, and two, me no want nobody accuse me of anything. But I know that the police report as a brother. You say the little girl, the mother, reported to the police. I know that the police report as a. You say the mother is a Trini. And the little girl sleep over your house. And you went to wake her up. And you touch her upon her shoulder and say, get up, time for school. You told me that your stepdaughter was already up playing with her iPad on the bed. You told me that your wife had to download the footage then that you had to show that you are innocent and take it to the court, and that is how you got bail. You told me that they didn't even put a bangle on you. They never put no monitor on you, a bracelet, excuse me. Because the judge said, why is it that the mother is saying one thing and the child is saying something else? You said the child said. So what you're telling me, you know? You said the child said to the court or in her report that she never said you touch her upon her breast. And the mother says so. You're very dangerous, brother, if what this police report is saying is what actually the child reported. And the reason I feel obligated to do this is because I not protect predators, brother. And I want whosoever involved to see this, to make them know that you are a liar. And them can take my phone for forensic if they need it. Because I don't like prayers, brother. What in the report bothers me so much when I not sleep last night? Yeah. And the fact that she had to go to the school or somebody outside of the home to make a complaint about you, it's telling. The report said you pulled down her pants. The report said this happened 3 times. You were grooming her if this is the case. But it's contradictory to what you told me. So where is the Trini mother, CMR? Where is the girl that sleep over, CMR? As a father, you send me, you give me information, and it clicked in and said, no, me must go protect this little girl. Because I don't want she there at school or there and people that say she get, molested by her stepdaddy. So of course, I go if it stop that bleed. But you open up more wounds because you're sick. If this police record is really what happened, and I get it from a legitimate site. You're crazy, brother. You need help, brother. A baby that, brother. And I can't believe you. Say nothing no go so, or nothing no go on. Why? Because you lied to me, bro. Remember, say you never have to even say nothing to me, you know. Me just text you and say, brother, where this? This no look good. That's all I said to you, you know. You never have to even say nothing to me. Me even said to you, say, remember, say this can be used against you in a court of law. So me make you know, say, they have to protect you if something really goes so, if something really goes so. But as a father, I felt obligated to protect that little girl. But you open up more wounds. So the way I get, it'll get worse. Because I want the world to know that you are a liar. You are a sick, sick person based on the police report. Because we still have to leave a little 1% there. Say I know the police report that. But if that are the police report, brother, you need to go to prison. Why? Because you're no longer credible. Yeah. You're sick, bro. You are sick. And why your wife and your family them way would I want to protect you? No, say. Me not no reason to make up nothing for you. Then for you understand, say, they can't defend you against a child. Because you're a liar. You don't have no credibility. Yeah.
When you're becoming or when you become an influencer, some social media celebrity, all we know you, your life is on the internet. So, when people are talking about you, are you really put out your life first? So we have a blood clot talk about you. Somebody come talk about your ask for privacy at this time. No bumbo clot privacy. Because when time things good, when things blood clot good, we need to see everything. We have see the flights them, we have see house, we have see car, we have see money, we have see one bag of blood clot thing. So nobody come ask for no bumbo clot privacy at this time. Don't ask for the privacy. You don't get it. And this goes for everybody who claims they are so-called celebrities and influencers. No blood clot privacy we not get. None. When you try blood clot, remember that. We not get that. Oh. Just like when blood clot, when a man in a rascal relationship and when put up all of the blood clot nice things them. When I put up all of the nice things them, you know. The nice things them when I put up on the table. Oh, babe got me this and oh, I just love my wife. And when I put up all of the things them. When I blood clot pop where we want to see it. Don't bumbo clot come talk about you need privacy at this time and accept our family's privacy. See it? We unite. Because I would bring we unite and when we are comment, when they get the nice bag them and the nice shoes them and you hear, oh, that is so cute. And you get the blood clot 10,000 comment them and the blood clot 50,000 ass clot likes them. When you get all of that, you see them and you say, wow, look at me. I'm the shit. So when the blood clot ball turn and you go through your crosses, don't ask at this time we are requesting privacy for the family. No, not gonna work. Anyway.
I need to get up today. I beat up my chest over people pit me. I feel her blood clot pit me. She's protecting her brand. She need our what you call it, our contract them. Okay? So she cannot speak on the incident. Maybe that's the way of clearing her head. But block you off of this. You see, if you don't have nothing sensible to say, where station is concerned, you don't look at careless girl, you don't look at careless mama shut on a phone at time now. What you mean, maybe that's the way of clearing our head. Listen to your fucking self, if you're not nothing to say, I say you would clear your head. Not come over here so with it. You know, see statement out there. I want to them eat people. I don't want to talk about this. Can you feel me? Let's change the conversation, please. Because I have zero. Me and somebody will read comments. I'm in a good mood today. When the people them read the statement. You know what I say? When the people them read the statement 20 times, them still I make up other story in them head. Paperwork is out there. You understand? Man, I turn up in a court. One more confirmation. That's, you know what? You guys are the parents that when you pitney tell you something, you not gonna believe them. Because you need confirmation. You women that are in denial, even after the courts, even after the police statement, you're still in denial. You women are the wicked mama. That if your parents, your children was to come to uno and tell you say one man and them, need proof. Well, me no need no proof. I don't need no proof. I don't want, like me say, me get sensitive when it come to them topic here. Because it happened to me, I don't want to talk about it to them. Just end the conversation. Because I realize that uno woman, me feel sorry for some of uno children. It's just a pity that some of uno pitney might have to go through them for career because still not learn. And it don't matter, a pedophile is a pedophile. The police report said this man pulled down the pitney panty and feel up her. He's a pedophile. Make up excuse for pedophile. I don't care how much you guys admire people, but we are making assumptions. Monique, go to sleep and wake up again. What assumptions are people making? So police report is a lie. What the judge saying at the courtroom is a lie. You still need more confirmation than what the judge say. You still need more confirmation as a mother after a police report.
So,
All right, no problem. Big up. Chevy, come through. Chevy? Chavola? Miss Brown? Hello? Miss Brown?
hello?
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 Yeah, we're hearing you now, yes.
Alright, sorry, I don't know what's going on. Alright, first off, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All of these that I'm gonna state, these are just my assumptions. So I'm not taking any side, these are just my assumptions. I watch Chrissy's vlog, weekly when she posts her vlogs. To provide some clarity based off my assumption why I feel like there's a baby monitor in the room, because she lets the little baby sleeps with sorry, not calling her name. She lets the baby sleep with the older daughter. She don't let the baby sleep in their room. She don't create a room for the baby, because she have all these rooms in the room. She turned one room in a makeup room, the other room she turned into a guest room, and the baby and the two younger girls can't agree. So every night the baby sleeps with the older daughter. So that's why I think they had the baby monitor in the room. That's for that. Secondly, I was very unsettled. Chrissy posted a vlog sometime in June, and this was when I started to get concerned myself, because in the vlog she said, oh, I bought a skipping rope for, XYZ, and this summer she has to work out on the skipping rope because all of my kids them have to look like kids. But I have no picnic look like a bigger one.
Whoa.
So I was very disturbed when she made that statement. Also, an observation, I feel like the mother heavily body shames the older daughter, because there was a period of time in her vlogs she constantly tells her, oh, you can't eat this, you have to cut out sugar, you need to lose weight, stuff like that. So based off my assumption, I think she knows something is going on, and it's like she's projecting it on the baby, because many vlogs she's like, oh, you don't eat this, don't drink this, you need to lose weight, in those subliminal ways. So I feel very unsettled in certain stuff, when she makes those statements. Also, I don't want to stay too long. There's just so many points. I watch a lot of criminal shows, and I do find that, the father does display a lot of predatory behavior, because he always states in his vlogs, oh, I've been watching Chrissy from primary school. From primary school, I love her. I think he was in an older grade, even though it's jokify, but, we can't push those things to the side. It's like he always talks about how he met Chrissy. He always say, oh, she was in grade 2, and I loved her off. I always went up to her class. I was obsessed with the freckles on her face, So Chrissy was younger than him. And he always says that. He always says how he loved Chrissy when she was in a lesser grade than him, and then, eventually they met. So that's another thing to look into. Last point, because I don't want to stay too long, I know other persons want to talk. Another observation as well, because as I said, I watch their vlogs, so I know a lot of stuff. He was grooming her. I definitely feel he was grooming her, because most of the vlogs, anytime he's referring anything to her, he always states, "Oh, she can get anything she wants." Even a recent vlog, they were talking about getting her a car, and he's like, "Oh, as she reached 16, she's getting a BMW. Any car she wants, she gets it." And I feel the mom as well, she doesn't build any form of relationships with the girls. Most of her weekly vlogs, most of her time, she's basically at these stores. She go at home, all of those stores, buying all sort of nonsense and returning them. That's what her week constitutes of. So every week she's going to these stores, buying all these decorational stuff to decorate the house, and then she don't like it, she return it. The father shouldn't be the one to wake up the girls, in my opinion. But Chrissy can't do that, because Chrissy is always tired. Because she don't go to her bed till 5 o'clock in the morning. She's up every night. She's buying all of these plants, changing out a decorational plan. Oh, she's fixing the guest room. She's cleaning all the bathroom. So she's up all night buying all of these stuff from ASOS or whatever store, trying on clothes, whatever she's doing. So by the time she's go to her bed 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, she's tired. So that's why he has to be the one now to get up and do that. I think as a mother, she overcompensates. They try to bribe the baby. When I say baby, I mean the bigger daughter, because I don't want to say her name. Because most of Chrissy's recent vlogs, she's always like trying to do these mother-daughter outfits. Not saying any mother shouldn't do it, but I feel like they try to overcompensate, to spoil her in a way. Like most of her vlogs, she's always buying her clothes, which is good, but that's all she does. That's my observation. I know you don't put everything on the internet, but based off my observation, Chrissy's daily chores, she sleeps till about 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock daily. She gets up, she go to Rooms to Go, she go at home, she go Hobby Lobby, she go all of these full stores, H&M, buy all of that foolishness, brings them back home, return it, come home, cooks dinner, that's it, get the kids to bed. There is never a bonding moment with her and her child, in my observation. So that's just my point.
All right, thank you very much. I appreciate it. White Twine, come through now.
Yes, hello, good day all. This is such a sad case. I don't even know what to start from, because so much things in my head were just coming like they want to come out one time, right? It's sad. First of all, I've mentioned it to people out here, and the first thing they're gonna jump and say, the little girl a lie. How can you say that? You don't know our case, you didn't even watch them, and you're gonna say little girl a lie? That's where Jamaica mind there. And it is sad. It is so sad. If you know, say a little girl not have a voice for herself, and we are the voice. And if she go through that, and she go come out and talk, and people are gonna say a lie she a tell, like, what is going to happen? We as big people in a working industry, and sometimes we not have no voice enough for we job, and how we feel. Any shit where people say we have to just work with it, whatever, how we feel. Much as a little child, you can't tell me say Chrissy never see changes, because as a child and a man molest or do when it even just step to her in the littlest form away, there is going to be changes in her attitude. It's either she going to show such uncomfortable around the man, but there is going to be changes. And it happens to big people, and we cannot help it. There are changes. But Chrissy not business about that. Chrissy on go business about how our place look. As a mother, you know say Chrissy, I hug and I kiss them. The two little girls have each other. They stay together and they always a play. But look at the bigger one. Who she have? Every time she look uncomfortable in the camera, and I'm more see more point the camera and her, and more me get tense because I can feel it. It's in a good. And me believe that she realized what I go on. She know She obviously changes. And this is sick and it's sad. Fi know say, a little girl, she nice, she a grow. But mothers, remember say, when pitney start bust breasts and hips start come out, them not have no control of that. Alive. That is the time for you to get your girl child very close to you, where they can come and tell you things. No look on her like say, oh yeah, turn woman now, and I run her away from you, want isolate her. Whatever. Now is the time to be friends with your child so they can come home to you and tell you whatever is happening. Chrissy is so aggressive. And if she is aggressive to her like that on camera, imagine when the camera turn off. For she not showing no loving towards them. Me never see she hug them, kiss them, how is your day, blah, blah, blah. All she do is shop and fix up house and care about. Look here, Chrissy house ever tidy. Me have one son. Me can't barely keep the place clean. No matter how me talk to him. Do this, no, don't do that, blah, blah, blah. And she have 4 girl pitney and fear her place ever clean. But what she do? Lock them up upstairs. She don't care. That's what I feel. That's all me have to say. More than this thing is so sickening. It's sickening. And she know. But because of money and fame, she not pay attention to the pit of them. And one more thing. She's growing. She tell what you call the bigger girl to be responsible for her sister. Because in the vlog where she and CMR do, right? When a little girl says she don't like when they get mad because they want her to talk to the smallest pit of them. And when they're not here, she still getting in trouble. Because they want to put an irresponsibility on the bigger pitney to take care of the little one. She a teach her how to fry egg and scramble and all of these things. Well, the other two, come on, man. Pitney fear run up and down in a house. Me never see Pitney run to see CMR and hug him. And I say, daddy this, daddy that, mommy this, mommy that. Me not see none of them something there. Me there with my son and every minute me have to tell my son, I'm on the phone. Love. She had treated them over there like say she have leash on their neck. Anyway, that alone me have to say.
All right, big up yourself. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, hear me I say, God, this adult people now I get the better because I not even know who in the box first we had. Anyway, I don't know what is going on with Gorgeous, but I'll Garnet, you have to hold on, Garnet. Oh, Sue, here you go, Sue.
Thanks, Reedy. Earlier in the week when it first came out, I think this came out Monday.
Mm-hmm.
I was on a live on Tuesday, and believe me, the people them decide say them are gonna anger me. Why? Because I say, listen, from police arrest you, I guilty, you're guilty. Me not care if I lie, shall tell. Because first of all, if it not go so, it almost went that way. And if what I don't like with Jamaican people, them love to talk about nobody knows.
What are they so? So what are the cause the brother you in your name father Fathead. Brother, look on my face and that the man the face. Look like what kind of man? Before me look like this man, I kill myself. Why you talk about look like this man? So what kind of man? You see me look like me look like pedophile. Not do that. Me not rap so rough. Anyway, go through so.
Yeah, the amount of people that take up the same about, we're not sure yet, we not see the evidence. What kind of evidence? What kind of, and I said, because of these comments, if I was a young child in Jamaica, me would never say nothing. Because everybody that take up them, nobody not consider this child. They might talk about, Pitney lie, and we have to see the evidence, and we don't know what kind of evidence the Pitney said, I saw it go. And we need to stop this idea that, Pitney lie and Pitney not tell the truth. If I was a child in Jamaica, I would never say anything. Just based on those lives that were happening in the beginning of the week. Everybody had talked about, we need to know, we have to see more evidence. You don't have to say nothing. From the Pitney say, I saw it go. Because why would she put that upon herself? Why would she want to have that kind of eyes on her? You think it's something easy to come out and say these things? Everybody at school are gonna know. Like, listen, a whole heap of, like, she brave, she even come out. So why would we automatically assume such a lie? Nobody would do this for a lie. Nobody. And even if the court case not find him guilty, that doesn't mean that it's not true. It just means that maybe she didn't do well understand. Or maybe he does. Maybe he has a lot of witnesses that will lie for him or whatever. But that doesn't mean it's not true. So people need to stop that. And Jamaica need to stop it. When your Pitney says something, you believe them. Whether I say your father, your mother, your boyfriend, your man, believe them. And that's what we have to start doing. And in 2024, we still at Tabo Pitney alive. In 2024, we watched Diddy the whole year. And we still have a question of victim. Like, that don't make no sense to me. Like, it doesn't make any sense that in 2024, you believe that a Pitney will sit down and say, I'm going to lie because you know what? That's going to work out good for me if I lie. It's going to work out really good. Who said, like, that doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any sense, and we need to stop it. We need to stop it as a society to make it too disgusting. Them too disgusting. And as a mother, if you have a stepfather in the house, the first thing you're supposed to, when we get divorced, I have a son, and the first thing me tell my son, you see, if you don't like him, just blink twice, because I'm gone and gone. Him not have to do nothing to you. Him not have to talk to you. If you say you see him and you not like him, he will be no more. Because that's how it goes. Are you come first? Are you it? So if you don't like him, you know what about me? If you don't like him can't come back to the door. It's just simple. Words a girl Pitney? Come on, man. We got to do better. We have to. Because for them, you see all the girl that grow and she have breasts and from you see, she looks so uncomfortable in the videos. Like, I don't even follow them. One video, I see somebody post. And I saw it and I was like, oh my God, she looks so uncomfortable with him. Like, I could feel it through the video. And she not see that? She not look on her Pitney? Come on. The Pitney not have to say nothing. The Pitney should not have to say anything.
All right, thank you very much. I appreciate it. So,
thanks, Rudy.
all right. Yeah, man. Hey, me very thoughtful this morning. My mother rated them thoughtful this morning. My mother rated them very thoughtful this morning. Because I see people that go over 3 minutes and that go on, and my mother rated them not do nothing. But I know it's a tense situation. I only turn my screen because I am on the road. When we reach my destination, I turn it back. So that's the only reason why I turn my screen. You know that go with TikTok and we don't want them kick me off at this time. People, we have to understand, ladies. I mean, I tell you, and that is the saddest thing about it is to see the persons who are picking up for this predator. I'll be a woman, you know. The majority of persons that are picking up for this predator are women. And it is so hard to see that a man would come out and hurt a child, and the persons that are picking up for this man are women. They hurt a child, you know. We not talk about his wife, you know. Because again, we don't realize him a beat her too. If we never remember, because we start get all of my information them, you know. You see, me no follow him, you know, me no know him, you know, me no know them, you know. But since this come up, you know, and every information is being said to me. And uno knows that she went call police for him to beat her up. So uno going like uno knows that this boy is an abuser in all.